session of SRS Vidya Mandir. Myself Farhana here. Today we are going to see an interesting topic. Are you all ready for it? Be ready with a pen and a paper, and here we go. Magic Square. The name itself explains that it has some magical facts. Some of you might already know what is a magic square, but do you know the history behind it? Let's know it now. In this video, we are going to see what is a magic square, history behind it, and how to make our own magic square following 3 simple rules. Let's start with a small story. More than 4000 years ago, China was ruled by great Emperor Yu. At that time, people had a practice of offering sacrifice to the river god called Lu to prevent it from flooding. Every time when the river flooded, there emerged a magical turtle. A child noticed the unnatural pattern on its shell. The pattern consists of circular dots representing integers from 1 to 9 arranged in 3 cross 3 grids. People believe that these patterns denote how many sacrifices they need to offer to the river god to accept their sacrifice. Chinese consider this pattern so special and precious, thus named it as Lu Shu square pattern. Let's see what's so interesting about it. Count the dots in the symbol and write them as numbers. You will get something like this: 492, 357, 816. Let's now arrange all these numbers in a 3 cross 3 grid and observe the pattern carefully. We can notice that at corners we have even numbers and at middle 5 boxes we have odd numbers. In the first row, add 4, 9 and 2, you will get sum 15. Now add 3, 5, 7 in the second row and you will get 15 again. What about sum of 8, 1, 6 in the third row? It's 15 again. That's so interesting, right? Now let's add numbers along the columns. Wow, it's the same. It's not over yet. Let's try adding diagonals now. So it's also 15. So here we can see that all the numbers are consecutive numbers and sum 15. Sum of each columns, rows and diagonals are of equal number. 15 is the number of days in each of the 24 cycles of Chinese solar year. There is one more evidence of 4 cross 4 magic square depicted in 1514 in Melancholia 1, engraved by German artist Albert Dürer. It's a portrait of intellectual struggle. Children, now observe this print keenly. You can notice cluster of measurement tools and a 4 cross 4 magic square with magic sum 34. So the magic square that we know now has a very long history. It has lot of mysteries and histories hidden in it. Till now we saw what is a magic square and its history. Now let's see 3 simple rules to create our own magic square of order 3. Rule 1. Wherever you are on the square, you should always try to go to the top right. Let me show you now. If you are over here, try to go top right over here and enter the next number x1. If you are over here, try to go top right over here and enter next number x2. And if you are over here, try to go top right over here and enter the next number x1. Same rule applies if you are over here. So this is rule 1. You might be thinking, what happens if I am over top left corner over here? Here comes rule 2. You should pretend there is a box top right over here and go over there and then jump to the last row over here enter next number x1. Similarly, if you are at the bottom right box over here, pretend there is a box top right over here, go over there and jump to the last row over here. Enter the next number x1. Rule 3 is interesting. Let's assume there is already a number over here and now currently we are over here. As per rule 1, you can't go top right as there is a number. So we need to drop down over here. Then keep going as per rule 1. Same rule is applicable for the top right corner box. We drop down over here and then keep going as per rule 2. You might feel a bit confused. Let me show you by solving order 3 magic square using these rules for easy understanding. Always remember to start from the center box of top row. That's here, which is going to be 1. Rule 1. We should go to the top right, but there is no box over here, so we are jumping to rule 2. We should pretend there is a box over here, go over there and then jump to the last row over here and write the next number 2. Again apply rule 2. Pretend there is a box over here, go over there and then jump to the last row over here and write 3. Now we need to apply rule 3. As there is already a number on top right, we need to just drop down the box and write 4. Now apply rule 1, go top right and write 5. Again apply rule 1, go top right and write 6. Now apply rule 3. As we are at the top right corner, drop down to one box and write 7. Apply rule 2. Here we go. Write 8. And again apply rule 2. And here we go. And write 9. So that's it. We have completed our magic square. Now let's sum all the rows, columns, diagonals to check if the sum is the same. Wow, all the sums are equal to 15. Let's make it more interesting. Children, try solving it with me. Now let's try same 3 cross 3 magic square with different series of number. 3 to 11. We are going to solve it faster this time. Always start from the center block of top row, that's here, which is going to be 3. Now you know rule 1 is not applicable. We are moving to rule 2. We should pretend there is a box over here, go over there and then jump to the last row over here, write 4. Again apply rule 2, go over here and write 5. Now we need to apply rule 3. As there is already a number top right, just drop down the box and write 6. Apply rule 1, go top right and write 7. Again apply rule 1, go top right and write 8. Here comes rule 3. Top corner box, drop down the box and write 9. Apply rule 2. Here we go and write 10. Again apply rule 2 and here we go, write 11. Sum of all rows, columns, diagonals are equal to 21. Now it's your turn. Make your own 3 cross 3 magic square with these number series 5 to 13. Kind note, these set of rules are applicable only for odd number magic square. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Keep practicing, students, and stay tuned to our channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.